Batam, makanan khasnya Batam tuh seafood ya?
Seafood.
Masih dia.
Yang terdekat di sininya kok Dempren itu. Kalau sana masih tutup, Bang.
Plane is boarding, and I think I'm a bit late. I need to go to 21. Where's 21? So I'm kind of late because my plane is boarding right now, so I need to pick up my boarding pass right here. 21. Mbak, saya harus ngambil boarding pass saya di plane 21. Thank you. And that's how it's supposed to be. Ah? Kenapa? Apa? Iya, nggak belum. Tahu kan? Saya pernah di sini loh.
Gimana?
Enggak, saya di sini sering banget vlognya. Masuk di YouTube saya.
Berdua ini ya sama Mbak Raisa ya?
Iya, barusan udah dijakinin, saya harus ngambil. Nonton YouTube nggak?
Gimana?
Nonton YouTube nggak?
Nonton,
Di sini,
aku suka nonton.
subscribe dong.
Boleh. Namanya apa? Di sini tulis aja.
She's gonna subscribe. She's gonna subscribe to my vlog. Udah boarding ya katanya? Really? So that means I have to run ya? Ditungguin dong. Nih, dicari dia subscribe ya. Ntar masuk loh, aku ngangkat loh.
Boleh. Boleh dong masuk ya.
And she's good.
Ambil ini sih.
Ya, thank you ya.
Sekarang tunggunya C2. Udah
Ya,
boarding soalnya.
ya, thank you ya. Bye. Makasih.
Iya, dadah.
So I got it, my boarding pass. I'm a bit late, so I don't know, but I know they're waiting for me. Oh, lupa, man. I forgot to give my namanya. Man, my freaking flyer, my. Damn, I forgot. Ya udah nggak apa-apa lah. I'm supposed to get points, but nevertheless, they say boarding, so harus cepat. Our gubernur yang di Jakarta itu membaca adalah wajib. Membaca adalah wajib. That's the stupidest thing I heard in my life. Hello.
Terima kasih.
Thank you. Katanya membaca wajib, and that's the stupidest thing in my life. That's so stupid. I'm boarding now. 14C. 14. Ah man, I made it.
Welcome aboard this Airbus A320 destination KJ940 destination to Batam.
Di sini sih. Finally got it. So early in the morning. I almost missed the flight. Anyway, in Batam, just landed. So good, right? Jadi gue bakalan PP hari ini. Man. But ini, I was talking to you about yang namanya Anies Baswedan, yang dia bilang katanya anak-anak tuh harusnya namanya baca. Bukan anak-anak sih, he just make a statement bahwa semua orang tuh, you know, baca is a wajib thing. It's like you have to, and that's stupid. Everyone is reading. Or maybe it's really bad for me to say it's very stupid, but I just think that everyone can read. Everyone is reading every day. Like things on the signboard, I'm reading. I mean, wajib harus baca. Yeah, whatever. What he should do is go to schools and open up libraries from the government. You know, put books on shelf and those kind of things. That's what I mean, he's telling us to read. Maksud gue adalah, yes, lo suruh kita baca, tapi you don't give the resources for untuk baca. I mean, people, nih baca komik juga baca, right? Baca koran juga baca. So why don't you go to school and provide schools with, these kind of put books on a shelf, like bibliography and those kind of things. I mean, itu kan paling bagus kan daripada lo bilang yang namanya harus baca. That's just my point of view anyway. So we're eating and we just landed in Batam, man. It's like a food court. I think it's one of the best food courts. It has a lot of food here. Like, I'm confused. Kayak banyak banget sederetan di sini. Our favorite. It's a favorite, and we're nasi terus you just milih lauknya gitu. It's a favorite to have, so I'm gonna go around and see what other food there is yang ada di sini. So the whole court is like all food, and semuanya di sini makanan. And Batam is all about food. Lo belum ke Batam katanya, and one of the best place. So where do you want to eat? Wow, it's like so many things. Gue nggak tahu mau milih yang mana. Ada banyak banget yang ada di sini tuh. Digabung ya.
Dia isinya 10.
Looks like di sini rame juga. Mereka laku habis. I'm taking a batik back to Jakarta.
Iya. Boleh dibantu KTP-nya?
Sure. There you go. I don't get emergency this time around. Biasanya I sit in emergency, but nevertheless, it's gonna be about 1 hour, so it should be good, as always. Thank you, ya. Makasih. I got it. So it's time for me to have dinner. Man, it's been a day. I don't know the hasilnya kayak gimana. So hasilnya should be good. Yeah, it's been a good trip to Batam. It's a one-day trip flying to Batam. I didn't get to go anywhere around. Tapi my whole point of this trip is just enak banget kali ini ke Batam, going back and forth. Tomorrow I have another training program yang namanya JTI with NBO side training sama NBO. I'm very excited for it. I'm gonna take a session tomorrow, and it turned out tomorrow kayaknya it's going to be my biggest focus session I've ever had di dalam training career-nya gue. This plane, right? Pesawatnya itu did not land properly. Like kayak gue dari tadi tuh gue ngerasa bahwa the plane itself, route-nya pesawatnya itu, rutenya di atas, it didn't like kayak biasanya kalau pesawat tuh kalau dia mau land biasanya takes drastic speed untuk menurun decrease speednya. Tapi kali ini this plane, pesawat ini speednya itu nggak nurun-nurun, dan jadi gue bingung pas lagi mau landing pesawatnya. Gue lagi mikir, why won't it land? And dia nggak mau landing dari tadi. And it's been around I think twice. And gue ngerasanya juga gitu tadi di atas. Tapi I like was so scared, takut banget. But maybe he was waiting for waiting for another aircraft. Jadi ya seperti gitulah. I'm so worried. But nevertheless, I'm here in Jakarta. I'm done. Mau balik nih, capek banget. Booyah! Thank you so much for stumbling into my YouTube channel. Appreciate it that you watched my videos all the way until now. And if you haven't already, please do make sure you punch that like button at the bottom and also press that share button. At the same time, if you like any of the videos like this also, please do make sure you subscribe to my channel. And it's just right there with the red button. In that, thank you so much. I will see you in the next moment to come. You're still here. my social media platform. If you want to follow me, I forgot.